Hi guys, today we are going to solve some important questions of aldehyde and ketone. In this video we will basically focus on oxidation reduction reactions like Baeyer-Williger oxidation. So let's start. Here's the first question. This is the question of Baeyer-Williger oxidation. What is the product of the following reaction? So the answer of this question is B. Here peroxy acid is given. This is the question of Baeyer-Williger oxidation. This peroxy acid will insert the oxygen atom according to Popov rules. So according to Popov's rules, keto group goes with the carbon chain which has less number of carbon atoms and less substituted. So less substituted carbon chain is this. So this keto group will go with this carbon chain. That's why the answer is B. Let's move to the next question. This is very simple question of oxidation. So question which would be the best reagent to convert compound A to B? So the answer of this question is D. P3 pyridinium chlorochromate. uh, B option will convert this alcohol into acid. So the best answer is D. Let's move to the next question. This is the question of sequence. The product of the reaction sequence below is. So the answer of this question is D. Here first oxidation occurs, then alcohol convert into acid, then esterification by methanol, esterification occurs, and finally Grignard reagent attacks. So let's see the explanation of this question. Here this is very clear explanation. So alcohol oxidized by this into acid, and this acid is esterified by methanol. So the product of this reaction, this ester will be formed, and this ester will be attacked by two molecules of Grignard reagent. So the final product will be tertiary alcohol. So the answer of this question is D. Let's move to the next question. What is the product of the reaction? The answer of this question is A, because here these reagents are the reagents of Wolff-Kishner reaction. There here hydrazine and base are given. So these are the reagents of Wolff-Kishner reaction, uh, and Wolff-Kishner reagent convert this keto group into alkane. So the answer of this question is A. Let's move to the next question. Again, this is the question of Baeyer-Williger oxidation, because here peroxy acid as the reagent is given. So what is the product of the following Baeyer-Williger oxidation reaction? Here the answer of this question is B. So here peroxy acid will insert the oxygen according to Popov rule. So this will be this is more substituted. This is more substituted chain. So this keto group will go with less substituted chain. That's why the answer of this question is B. Let's move to the next question. This is also the question of Wolff-Kishner reaction. What is the major product in the reaction below? So the answer of this question is option D. Option D is the right answer, because the given reagent will reduce carbonyl group into alkane, not in alcoholic group. So this and this will never be the answer. And carboxylic group, so carboxylic group remain intact. This will not attack carboxylic group, so carboxylic group will remain intact. So in option D, carboxylic group is intact. That's why option D is the only answer. Let's move to the next question. This is the simple question. What is the product of the reaction? Answer of this question is option B, because the given reagent can never reduce alkene but reduce keto group into alcohol. So alkene group will remain intact. So the answer of this question is B. This is a good question. Give product of the following reaction. Answer of this question is option B. Here LiAlD4 will give D minus. This will give D minus, that will attack on carbon atom, because carbon is nucleophilic center having partial positive charge, and water will give H plus. Water will give H plus, that will attach to oxygen atom. Oxygen atom has partial negative charge. So the answer will be option B. This is also Baeyer-Williger oxidation reaction, because here peroxy acid as a reagent is given. So what is the major product of the reaction? The answer of this question is A. Here keto group will go with less substituted carbon. So less substituted carbon here is this. So this will go with the given less substituted carbon. That's why the answer of this question is A. Let's move to the next question. Choose the reagent to have the transformation. Here alcohol is converted into ketone. Uh, the answer of this question is A. PCC. Here PCC is given. This is the structure of PCC. Pyridinium chlorochromate. This is the structure of PCC. So the answer of this question is A. Let's move to the next question. CrO3 in H2SO4 H2 will fail to give a positive test with which of the compounds? Here the option is here the answer is option D. Because given the agent is oxidizing agent, but it can never oxidize tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol will never oxidize. So and it can oxidize primary and secondary alcohol and aldehyde and keto group, but can never oxidize tertiary alcohol. So D is the right option. Hope you enjoy the video. These are some of the good questions of oxidation and reduction reaction for NEET and JEE. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.